again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video. I hope everybody's doing fine and well, having a great day. Welcome if you are new. So as you can see, I have got this month's Gelbox. I am a little late getting this out. So for anybody that is new and haven't heard of Gelbox before, Gelbox is a UK brand, however she does ship worldwide. It's a monthly subscription box. The gels are all Hema-Free. So the box is all about the gels, but you do get a couple of added extras and a little vinyl sticker kind of tutorial. Everything you need to complete this tutorial will be in this box. So any added extras you need to complete the manicure will be in this box. So shall we get into it and see what we got? So every month as well, it's a different box. And like this month's box, it's quite plain and bold with bold colours. My kind of thing. So like I always do, I'm going to give you a quick sneak peek and then we'll slide it off to the left. So this is what the boxes look like when you get them. So right, let's just get this slid off and we'll go through it. So this is the contents. I'm not going to show you because we're going to go through it anyway. So we've got a couple of the vinyl stickers here. I like this. I haven't got it. I was just going to show you my laptop. I stick all these on my laptop. I like this. This is my kind of thing. And then this is the tutorial. I say tutorial. This is what I'm on about when I say tutorial. So everything in this box is what you need to complete this manicure. Very intriguing. So let's get into it. Right, so straight away we have got some little, they're roses. We've got some little gold rose embellishments. Let me just open them. Let's have a look. Oh, these are curved on the back as well. So you'd get a really good seal on the nail with these. Really, do you know, I've actually got some of these, but mine are not as detailed as this. You can see every single little rose petal. And even the leaves have got little lines on them. These are really detailed ones. They're not like the ones I've got. These have got a lot more detail on them. Really shiny gold as well. I like them. Right, we've got a nail file. Fantastic nail files. Love these. And we have got a cuticle oil. These are made with perfume experts. These cuticle oils. They're not just random cheap cuticle oils that they buy in bulk. They're made with perfume experts. They make your hands, you can smell it all day as if you've got a perfume on, these cuticle oils. And we've got a nail art brush and a dotting tool. If you ever get one of your boxes and can't find mine, and the plastic things come off your brush and it turns up and it's bent like this, run it under a hot, not too hot, but run it under a hot tap and just keep pulling it like this and it will straighten up within seconds. Very easy way to straighten your brushes. Right, so shall we get to the star of the show? I always say it. The gels. Oh, these colours look nice. So looks like we've got 3 gels and a blooming gel. So let me get set up and I'm just going to give these a quick swatch. Right, so this first gel is called Feedback and it's like it's a green, but it's got a slight turquoisey blue kind of feel to it, but it is a green. Let's give that a quick swatch. These gels are fantastic quality. Alright, so this one is a little bit of a sheer gel. Right, I understand why now, why this is a sheer gel. Gelbox gels are usually very creamy, very opaque. This is a little bit sheer because of the design that it's intended for. I'd say this is like a 50% jelly or a 75% gel. This is intended for this bit to bloom in the middle of the nail, so I think that's why they've chose a gel that's not as opaque as Gelbox gels normally are. They are normally very creamy and opaque gels. Quite thin as well. I do enjoy using them. I don't get the opportunity to use them as much as I would like, but when I have used them, they're really enjoyable to use. So let me stick that in the lamp. Gosh, I have got boxes and boxes of stuff. My room is such a mess. I'm so behind with everything. Right, next we have got Exposé. This looks like a neon. Very, very bright neon. Oh wow, look at this. And it looks like a really creamy. Neons can be quite hit and miss. They can be quite jelly like. But my gosh, this is so opaque for a neon. Yeah, it's not often you get really creamy neons like this. But I am not surprised with Gelbox. Wow, look at that. Neon orange, one coat. It's not showing as bright as what it is. My lighting, as usual, is really bad. Yeah, it's not showing as bright on camera as what it is. It is super bright neon. Love that. And lastly, for the colour gels, we've got Canva, which looks like a really nice pastel purple. Very pretty. And again, you'll see how opaque and creamy these gels are with this purple as well. Really, really creamy gels. I love them. They are a thinner consistency, which I like. Nice pastel purple. Very pale pastel purple. I love that. Oh, I've bumped all these in the lamp. That's going to really piss me off. So this is the three colours swatched. Them two stuck together in the lamp. So we're just going to leave them snogging. And this is the pale purple. And then we've got the blooming gel. So I'm just going to give you a quick example of what you can do with this blooming gel. So they've used the blooming gel over the top of this purple. They've just done with the turquoise. I think they've just done a circle in the blooming gel. But I'm going to show you what I would do with this blooming gel. So nice thin even coat of the blooming gel. So just a kind of regular coat with the blooming gel. I think I will use the neon orange. You can use the dotting tool or the nail art brush. I'm going to opt for the nail art brush, and I'm going to do the ever popular standard snake print. So we're going to start with just across the middle a line, then another line, another line. Obviously you would take your time and do it a bit neater than what I'm doing, but just to give you an idea of how to do it. And then you normally do a little line in between those ones. I love this print for summer. So easy, beginner friendly. More like crocodile print, isn't it? Could do these lines a lot thinner as well. I've done them quite thick there. If you did them a bit thinner, I think they'd look a bit better. But blooming gel is fantastic for these little croc print, alligator print kind of effects, tortoise print. I love that. So there we go, guys. That is the colours swatched, and there's a little example of something else other than this that you can do with the blooming gel. I do love a bit of snake print, or is it alligator print? I don't know, you decide. So that is the colours, and that is everything else that came in the box. I really do like these little roses. The detail on them is so much better than the ones I've got. Okay guys, that is it for today. I just wanted to quickly get the Gelbox out. I am running a little bit late this month, but yeah, unfortunately that is it for today. Just a very quick one. Don't forget, I've got a 15% discount code for Gelbox. It will be down in my description box with a link to the website. Thanks for watching. Please remember to give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.